Hey squad, these are their stories.
Yeah. Full speed. 045. Pirates. Starboard.
Pirates. Pirates.
Over there. Turn to port. East. Get the top. I've got it. All right, you're ready. Let's go.
Everybody, please, enjoy.
You've mastered the art of turning work into pleasure.
Don't forget profit. 10 people, $70,000 apiece. I can book 2 of these pirate safaris a month.
Let's move on to bigger things.
You found someone clean?
Squeaks, a New York City police captain.
And he's willing?
Willing to listen. Struggling to recover from a nasty divorce.
He's got my sympathy.
Tragic. Her father, his bride, killed on the boat.
I feel sadness, although I barely knew him. In boarding school, I remember for occupation of father, I put king.
He was a sheikh.
But who knows what that is? Or what he did? His death means the fun is over for you, Hassan. It's time to pray and seek guidance.
Remember how Commissioner Ray Kelly created an effective law enforcement agency in Haiti? That's what we want for northern Somalia. An area called Puntland.
What you're asking might be impossible.
Are most things simply a matter of funding? Puntland's current government borders on anarchy. Warlords rule.
And pirates.
You can turn that around with the latest weapons and technology.
Stop it. It's awful. Where are we going tonight?